Julie, we're gonna cross that dual carriageway. Okay, so dual carriageway, we're gonna turn right. If examiner asks you from the dual carriageway turn left, so you go on the left corner and look on the right side properly, yeah, and then go left. No need to be worried about the other side because it's a dual carriageway. Yes? But in this case, we're gonna go right. So when you go up to that corner, as we are turning right, so you make sure you look on the right. If it's safe, you go if the middle is available. In this case, there's a middle available.
Yes.
So you go to the middle. But sometimes people are coming from the left side as well, from that small island. Yeah. So careful about that as well. But obviously they need to stop because you are going that direction. When you go to the other side, in the middle island, make sure you look properly on the left side. Okay. We might have not done this before. We haven't done it.
No.
Okay, so first time we're doing it. So make sure initially focus on the right mostly, clear it, go in the middle, wait, look on the left, and if when you go to the middle and if left is safe, secure, there's nothing coming from the left side, no car, yeah, then you can go. Yeah, but make sure it's a fast road, so carefully check on the left side, especially on that blinds, that window, yeah, because you will be angling to the right. Understand?
Perfect.
Drive one when you're ready, please. Yes, you can move the car, nothing to do with that car. See, that car was on its own way, yeah? You are here, so you just go. Just check mirrors, nobody was behind you, so you could have gone. Okay, so end of the road, which is dual carriageway, turn right, please. Okay, this is a fast giveaway line. Yeah, gear 1. Okay, go now. Go. It's fine. Okay. Now you need to stop here. Please slow down. Check properly. If it's safe.
Yeah.
Go then. Speed up. There's a car coming now. So you have to speed up dual carriageway. Yeah. Speed up now. More. Push your foot down. Push your foot down, Julie. That's it. Okay. Like that. Alright. Speed up. It is 70 miles per hour. Yes, you still have a bit of issue with your speed, picking up the speed. No problem. We are improving on that as well, okay?